Hey guys, today this is the Play-doh kitchen where it comes with the little oven, some Play-doh, some molds. This is the oven, so we're gonna slide in the cupcakes. Go ahead, shut it. So she's gonna close it up. And now, go ahead, do it. And then you push it down, and as you can see, it grows in there. Sorry, her arm's blocking it. Wow, you're strong. Wow, look at them cupcakes. Wow, they're huge.
Look.
Yeah, look at them. And then that's what they look like. And there's also like a little pizza mold and lots of little stencils on the side. And over here, there's some going up the thing and on top, so you can decorate your food how you want. And it's actually pretty cool.